Yes, good afternoon, colleagues. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we shall be looking into the common terms or key terms used in Microsoft Excel. In order to better use the Excel, you need to know all these terms. So straight away, let's go into Excel and search for Excel. Let's open the Excel sheet. So we go to blank workbook. Actually, workbook is one of the key terms that you need to know when using an Excel. A workbook is a file that contains more than one worksheet. But to understand better, let's first open the workbook. So let's look into the key terms. Number one is a cell. A cell is the basic unit of a worksheet. So why I think I'm clicking here, it's called a cell. A, B, they are all cell. How to name a cell? They are named in columns and the rows. The rows are the ones that are labeled in terms of A, B, actually in alphabet. Then the columns are labeled in numerical, that is in terms of numbers 1, 2 up to very many. So to name a cell, you first name the row. Like this cell is in row A, and column number 1 is cell A1. Another key term is the worksheet. The worksheet is actually even labeled here. This is sheet 1. So the worksheet is what we are seeing here. Where we are working on, it's called the worksheet. Then a workbook is just a collection of worksheet. And worksheet, how to add. If you want to add a worksheet, you just click add. See now we have 2 sheets. When you want to add another one, then you add. This one is better done when you are doing a lot of data analysis or data cleaning. You transfer what you already cleaned to another sheet. Or maybe when you are doing budgeting, you can as well as use many sheets. Another keyword is the range. A range is a selection of 1 or 2 more cells. So for example, we can select cell A1. Let me drag this one up to cell A6. So this is a range. We have selected A1 up to A6. So the range is this A1 up to A6. One of the another important key term is the function, which is actually very important when doing data analysis or when doing manipulation of data. A function is a formula which is really predefined. They're already into the Excel. They are not done manually. For example, sum. And to get the function is always accompanied by an equal sign. So a function, if you want to put an equal sign, then you, like for sum, then you put sum. So these are the functions. They are already predefined and already into the Excel. So after putting the sum, then you select the figure, the range where you want to add. Is it from A1 up to A10, maybe B1 up to or G1, just like that. The same applies, maybe you want average. Average is also the same thing. So that is for the function. It is a bit different with another key term, that is the formula. Formula is user defined. You are the one, the user is the one who can input the formula Like for example, I can say let me say 100 then 20. I can say I need still they are when you want to enter still they start with an equal sign. I can say I want to divide cell C2 which is 100 divided by D2 which is 20. So it is 5. So it is me as a user, one who is determining the formula. But for the function is user defined. They already input into the Excel. Another key and important term is the active cell. The active cell is the cell which is currently selected, and they are always highlighted in green and bold. So for now, my active cell is A1. This one, the active cell is B1. So when the cell is active, that means you can easily put in the data, or you can edit what is there. So for example, I can add maybe 5 here. Then maybe for the cell series already had some figures, I can edit. Maybe I change to 80. So you have seen what also happened to our formula. It has also changed. Another important term is the ribbon. Ribbon, these other parameters are on top of the Excel. They contain or guide you on the different tasks that should be done. For example, we are on the home page. On the home page, we have a lot of things. We have the font type, the bolding, the italic, the underlining, the borders, coloring. That's a number of things. Then we also have the conditional formatting, table. That's a number of things. So these are called the ribbon. That's when you also go to insert. Insert also adds a lot of things. You can insert table. You can insert a pivot table for data analysis. You can insert pie chart, graphs, and so many other things. The same applies to the page layout. You want it margin, landscape, just a number of things also under page layout. The same applies to the formulas. Data analysis is the same. They have a lot of parameters which you can have some time and look through one by one. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.